Mr. Rarithis from 7th grade DMI St. Joseph Matriculation School. I would like to share a few words about Amazon Rainforest. Amazon Rainforest is the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir. 20% of world's oxygen is produced from the Amazon Rainforest. Amazon Rainforest is considered as the lungs of the earth as it produces oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide in large amounts. Amazon Rainforest extends to almost 9 different countries like Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Venezuela, Suriname, Guyana and French Guiana, and overseas territory of France. Thank you.